Have you been feeling emotionally maxed out lately? Not in crisis, not falling apart, but just done. If your tolerance is lower, your patience is thinner, and your capacity feels limited, this episode is for you. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern regenerative medicine. Today, we're talking about emotional capacity, what it is, why it shrinks in late winter, and how to rebuild it gently without forcing yourself to bounce back. If you weren't aware, emotional capacity is finite. We often expect ourselves to function emotionally the same year round, and that's just not realistic, given nature and cycles. But emotional capacity depends on things like energy reserves, nervous system regulation, hormonal balance, and environmental stress. Late winter is a low capacity season. And feeling maxed out isn't failure, it's information. Now your capacity is going to shrink before burnout happens. So most people don't go straight to burnout. It might feel like that and look like that, but it doesn't happen that way. They go through things like shorter tolerance, emotional numbness, irritability, or reduced desire for connection. These are early signals, not red flags. Listening here definitely helps to prevent collapse later. Now, rest is going to restore capacity faster than withdrawing will. So a common mistake is isolating completely. But emotional capacity returns through safe, low-demand connection, warmth and nourishment, and predictable rhythms. Isolation often deepens fatigue, but regulated presence restores. Now, capacity isn't going to return right away. It's going to return in layers. You don't wake up one day back to normal. Capacity rebuilds gradually. First, tolerance improves, then curiosity returns, then desire for connection grows. Trying to rush this process backfires. Gentle consistency is going to win here. In February, many patients say, I just don't have it in me. When we stop treating that as a problem and start supporting rest, warmth, and pacing, capacity returns quietly, not dramatically, but sustainably. Feeling maxed out isn't the end of your resilience. It's the point where rebuilding begins. Capacity isn't lost, it's just resting. So 2 simple things that you can do this week. Protect one low demand window daily. No emotional output, no caretaking. And choose one regulating connection per week. Someone calm, no fixing, just presence. If you want capacity back sooner, stop asking, what's wrong with me? And instead ask, what would support me right now? Your body will answer. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe. And until next time, stay rooted, radiant, and beautifully balanced.